Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by inserting the MTN 5G SIM and powering the router. This gives the device a cellular identity and data access. Once powered, wait about 60 to 90 seconds until the 5G LED turns steady. This indicates registration on the network. Now connect a laptop or phone via Wi-Fi or Ethernet and open 192.168.1.1. This takes you to the router interface, where you'll log in and continue the configuration steps. You log in with the admin credentials and change the default password right away to secure the device. Then check the APN. If it doesn't match MTN's profile, update it so data passes correctly, and enable 5G preferred to prioritize faster bands. Next, set a clear SSID and a strong WPA2 or WPA3 passphrase so devices can join securely. Finally, reserve any static IPs or set DHCP ranges if you need consistent local address. You save your settings and reboot the router to apply changes, then test speeds and coverage in main areas so you verify performance. Make sure the firmware is current by checking admin system and installing updates. Newer firmware often fixes stability and speed issues. If you encounter no connection, check the SIM seating and APN, confirm signal bars, reboot the router, and try the SIM in another device. These steps quickly isolate whether the issue is router, SIM, or network related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.